Hi, my name is Alvin. You're watching Slang Dynasty. Today's slang is 躺平, laying flat. So this word has become more popular with young people because traditionally in Chinese culture, it's emphasized that young people need to work very hard and be very disciplined. That's why so many local companies do 996 and no one complain. But there's a surge of individualism in the China. People now are like, if I don't like it, I'm not going to stand up and take it. I'll just go home and 躺平. So for example, right now for me to buy a Shanghai apartment, I need to borrow money from multiple relatives and have a call with them every morning about why I'm not married. So my attitude towards buying a Shanghai apartment right now is I'm just gonna 躺平.